What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. I just want to make a quick video on how to install your access port mount that goes in the defroster vent. So all you have to do is remove this vent, and you do that by using a trim removal tool. I'm prying it up from here. After that, just pull it out and that's it. Also run your cable through the bottom. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to take the OBD cable, push it under the mount like so. Then from here you take the cable mount like so. There's little grooves here for the push-in pins. From here, what you want to do is you want to push this all the way down until it sits flush. So it does take some effort because it is a pretty tight fit, but once you get it all the way in like so, as you can see, it's flush all the way down. That's what you want. So at this point, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have enough slack here. So once you have enough slack here from the bracket, what you want to do is you want to put this corner in first like so, and then you turn this and it fits right in. So now all you have to do is just turn it back again and that's it. It'll fall back into place. Now from here, all you have to do is just screw in these bolts and you should be good. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you out.